The Howaoo airline kit HA100 boasts a robust three-layer construction combining high-density polyethylene and aluminum, ensuring long-lasting durability and exceptional corrosion resistance. Designed to withstand extreme pressure conditions, this airline kit's aluminum layer provides impressive structural integrity while maintaining optimal performance. Installation is a breeze with the comprehensive range of accessories included, such as T-joints, right-angle joints, air outlet blocks with valves, and more, saving you time and effort. With a reliable O-ring compression style, the Howaoo airline kit HA100 guarantees a leak-proof connection, capable of operating efficiently at high working pressures. This versatile airline kit is ideal for any shop or garage setup, allowing for easy installation within walls or from ceilings, and can be customized with additional accessories as needed. Customer satisfaction is a priority, with a responsive service team available around the clock and a 30-day free return policy, ensuring a risk-free purchase.